Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is my July Boxycharm unboxing and we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so it just came in the mail today and when I went to go get it, I noticed that the FedEx man had left it upside down, which normally he has it like up, you know, so I can see the Boxycharm. And I was like, So I got closer and I picked it up and I noticed that the whole entire box is wet. So it's like kind of ruined and I was like, oh no, what is opened on the inside of this box and what is ruined? So I have technically seen what is in the box. So, but we're still gonna get into it and I'm gonna show you guys, and I just hope that Boxycharm will make this right because one of the products was damaged. Have you guys ever gotten anything damaged or missing, and how has it been like dealing with customer service? Are they usually pretty good about it? I haven't had this happen yet, so fingers crossed they send me a new one because I was actually really excited about the product. So let's just go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room first of all. This is the item that no longer is. This is the Everyday Vacay by Ciate London. It's a fresh coconut extract. It's a setting spray. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh no, it's not completely empty. There's a little in there. So when I opened it, it was pretty much like opened like that. So I mean, there is a little bit in there. It smells really good. It's very fresh. So the spray is nice. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's very nice packaging, but I'm kind of surprised that it wasn't closed like with plastic or anything. It was just literally inside this box here. So yeah, I will let you guys know. I will put a post in the comments below whenever they email me back. I did email them and I sent them a picture of the damaged item. So I will let you guys know how that is handled. And this guy is all wet too, but okay. So this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray, and this retails for $22. Okay. The next item in here, this is it's from the company Nude Sticks, and it's a Rockin' Roller. So this is a Easy Eyeliner ink in the color Golden Rosé. Okay, so that is what this looks like, and when you open it up, it's just like a tiny, tiny little roller. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's just like a teeny, tiny little roller, and okay, that's actually really pretty. So I just kind of rolled it back and forth a couple times. That's really pretty. I know that I have tried, I want to say it's the same brand. They sent a black eyeliner like this, like the little roller part, and it is fun to apply. When I get to the last item in here, I will try this on for you guys because I've got a mirror. So let's see, this retails for $26 and it says it's a 24-hour wear resistant finish. Cool. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here, this box is pretty beat up as well. It's pretty wet. I'm really hoping the product inside is not damaged, but I think this is in some good quality packaging, so I think we're good. This is from Fenty Beauty, and this is Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. So this is the first item I've ever had from Fenty Beauty. I have yet to try it. The packaging is so pretty. I love it. So when you open it, okay, it's closed. Oh, that's so cool. It's got the FB for Fenty Beauty. That's really cool. I'm assuming this is just like a highlighter, right? All right, we are just gonna put a little, you know what? I'm just gonna go like this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. That is so pretty. I don't know if you guys, if it's picking up on the camera, but it is so pretty. Just like a really light, subtle gold shimmer. And what does it say about this? Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder is the same smooth, hyper-reflective shimmer that comes pre-packed in Fairy Balm Glittering Pom-Pom, now housed in a loose powder pot for precision and payoff. So yeah, I've never seen this before. It says you can put it on your face, eyes, or body. and this retails for $28. So this is absolutely beautiful. I think it would be really pretty to like put a little bit on your shoulders or like your collarbone. Maybe I should try that. I'll try this on in a little bit when I get the mirror out, okay? So we'll try those on. The next thing I'm seeing in here, this is called Babe Lash. It's an essential serum. I'm assuming it's like an eyelash growth serum. This is the product that I picked that I wanted for this box. Usually each month you can pick one of the items for your box. And let me just see what this says. Babe Lash Essential Serum. The award-winning Babe Lash Essential Serum will give you the lashes you've been looking for by enhancing the appearance of length and volume over time. It can also be used on brows and with lash extensions. And this retails for $59. So the lash serum that I normally use is from Rodan & Fields, and that one is $150. So this one is a lot cheaper. The Rodan & Fields one works amazingly. Like, I've been using it for years and I just love that one. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. And then when you take it out, whoops, that is what the little brush looks like. Just really thin. It's very similar to the one I already use, although the brush on my other one is a little bit thicker, but this looks very nice. Very nice packaging, looks high-end, so I am really excited to see this and see how it works. I do know with my other one that I use, it took at least 4 weeks to see like any results, and then by week 8, my lashes, I literally was trimming them. Like, they were getting so long. So I'm wondering how long this one will take to start seeing results as well. Oh, yeah, I told you that one retails for $59. Okay, so the last item in here, which thank goodness this thing was bubble wrapped because I would have been really sad if this got ruined. This is an eyeshadow palette from Pur, and it's called Festival. So this is Festival 2.0. I'm pretty sure I have the first one too, and I really like it. This retails for $36. Let's open this bad boy up. I really like Pur Cosmetics. They're really good quality. The palettes are always really nice. So, oh my gosh, this looks a lot like their other one, I feel like. They have a very odd smell. These are super pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these, but I wanna go get the other palette and compare the two because I feel like they're very similar. Hang on. Okay, so here is the first one. They are very similar in size. The second one is a little bit bigger. So yeah, let me see what this one. I feel like it has a lot of kind of similar colors. Let's see. Ooh. So yeah, that's what these two look like next to each other. So, well, I guess they're different. They're both very pretty though. Okay, I'm really excited. I use this one a lot, like when I'm just going out, because it's just good quality, and I love the pigment, like the colors, the little pop of colors. So all right, let's do a couple swatches. So we are gonna do, this first one is Euphoric, and then the other one is Pure Bliss. And they are very textured, like they feel really like gritty, but they don't look. Let me see. Those are really pretty. And those you could actually even use for highlight. They are pretty glittery. I don't know if you can see them. They are pretty shimmery, so I'm not sure that you would want to use those as a highlighter. Let's try this Utopia and Electric. So these are like blue, kind of. One's like a lighter blue, and then the other one's like a darker blue. Oh wow, those are really pretty. I like those. And then let's just try this last one. It's called VIP Pass, and it's like super, it almost looks kind of black. Well, it's kind of like a charcoaly color, but then it also looks like it kind of has gold in it, but it looks very charcoaly. Is that a word? Ooh, that is pretty. I highly doubt these are gonna pick up on camera, but that is really pretty. It's like black with gold flecks in it. That's beautiful. All right, so I did wipe off my fingers. I really want to try this one. It's called Turn It Up. It's like almost like a corally, it's almost red. Like, I'm not a huge red fan, but this one is so pretty. Let's try it. That is super pretty. I don't know how I would wear that or where I would wear that to, but That one's really pretty. So, okay, cool. I'm really excited about this palette. I love Pure Cosmetics, and they just always have really good palettes. Let's try on some of this eyeliner real quick, just for the heck of it. I guess I did have a little eyeliner on, whoops. So it's not really showing up that well. It's not really showing up very well. It is a really neat applicator, and I'm a fan of the color. So let's try some of this Fenty Beauty stuff. Just gonna kind of put a little bit on my collarbone here. Oh boy, this is gonna be really intense. You know what? I'm not going anywhere. Let's just put some on my cheeks too. I don't have any makeup brushes out here, so that's why I'm using my finger. You know what? Since there's a little bit left in here, let's just try putting a little bit of this on here. It smells so good. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that this month's box is Sunshine. I kind of skimmed over that because this thing was kind of wet. All right, guys, that does it for this month's Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got variation number 68. Holy moly. I feel like 68, that's a lot of, wow, that's a lot of different variations there. All right, now I'm gonna go through and see how much this box is worth. Okay, this one is worth $171. I would say that is pretty darn good. That lash serum alone was like probably a big bulk of it. So cool. I am really happy with this month. I really hope that Boxycharm sends me a replacement product because I really did want to try that. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, what box did you guys get? Are you happy with it? I hope you all are staying well, and we will see you on my next video. Bye.